Well, hi there, besties, and welcome to another Sunday video. As promised, I'm starting my summer decorating. Good that I'm starting now because it will take me a couple of weeks to get everything just the way that I want it. You're looking at all of the wonderful treasures I found thrifting while I was looking for the perfect items to curate the look that I'm going for. The look that I'm going for is coastal, nautical, very nostalgic summer, bringing back some of the, evoking some of those memories from my childhood and my kids' childhood of trips to the bay and visiting lighthouses and things like that. I'm going to layer in some glass items to give that translucent look and a little pop of color with the blue. And then adding in some natural elements, nodding to driftwood and things that you would find out in nature or on the beach or a pier, like this piece here. And a little bit of whimsy with the napkins. And then I found this beautiful piece. It does have like a water scene on it. It was made in Belgium. And it's milk glass. It's beautiful. I think it'll be a nice layering piece as well. I want to have that vibe of having a lot of items that look like they have been collected from a lot of travel. And I really like the idea of having a lot of boats and boat themed things because that just speaks to travel. And lighthouses, they just, they're at every beach and on every coast. You can always find one, and pulling in some fabrics. And these boat pictures are going to be beautiful. They're actually signed hand-drawn pieces, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. I think they're going to give the perfect little touch to the hutch area. This is what the hutch looked like before we started, and this is what it looks like after I've taken off almost all of my spring decor. I still have a couple of pieces left that I need to remove, but I did go ahead and stage those stands like you saw last week that I made. I went ahead and put them on either side of the hutch, and I will be decorating here slightly and putting the pictures, those boat pictures, up above these lanterns. And now that we have a clean slate, I'm going to set the rest of this to music for the most part so that you can just sit back, relax, and watch this look come together.
Something missing in my soul, chasing highs yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come round very often. It's like sunshine after the rain, but you I was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart. That is when I found you, you could see right through me, pull me from the darkness, save me from the start. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am, I follow the voices in my heart. I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time. On top of the world, let's save every moment. Nothing can break us apart. Let us show 춤을 추며 노래 do whatever I like because I have you right by my side. I know that you are. 이전엔 내가 아냐 난 돌아가지 않아 공허했었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야 아무도 없던 내게 따스히 다가와준 그 모든 의미를 난 잊지 않아. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am. I follow the voices in my heart. I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you
I don't know about you
are
guys, but while I'm decorating, I'm thinking. And sometimes I am thinking about my decorating, and I'm really focused on that. But most often, I'm thinking about life. I'm thinking about my life and what I want to do and where I want to go. And I'm in that transition. I'm in my 50s, and before you know it, I'm going to be in my 60s. And it's going to be time to retire. And then what happens next? It's a bittersweet kind of transition because my whole identity, my entire life, for more than half my life, has been being a mom and being a caregiver. And now that I'm not fully in that role anymore, my kids are grown, they don't necessarily need me as much. The house is a lot quieter, and I just don't know what to do sometimes with myself. You can only decorate so much, right? But decorating does give me the opportunity to really reflect and think. What I would love more than anything in the world is to have my kids live with me and my grandkids, future grandkids, live with me. And we just have a family commune where we're in each other's faces all day long. And I could continue just being that mom that took care of everything. If I had my way, that's what I would do. Hands down, without a doubt, that's what I would do. Although I would drive my children completely insane, and that would defeat the purpose. So that's not the right thing for me and my family. But that means that Art and I get to figure out what we want to do next. And now that this past year is behind us and life has resumed some sort of normalcy, a new kind of normal, but a normalcy, we're starting to think about what we want to do and where we want to travel and places we want to go. So as I'm decorating in this nautical, coastal kind of theme, I'm thinking about the next 30 years and how excited I am of where that's going to take us. I'm excited to get to know myself again, to find new hobbies or grow old hobbies. Decorating has always been a hobby. Even when I was a little girl, I had to make my own Barbie house out of cardboard boxes and Velveeta boxes because we couldn't afford a Barbie house. So I made my own. I've been doing that for as long as I can remember. So it's definitely in my blood and I enjoy it. So it's a way for me to just continue to grow my hobbies. And I've never traveled a whole lot, but Art definitely has. And he tells me about the places that he's been that are outside of the United States and that, places that he's lived because he was in the, a military family. And I'm excited to travel. I'm excited for the next phase and to just grow old with Art. That's something that I'm very excited about and grateful that I get to do. So I didn't mean to talk through this whole video, but these are the things that I think of while I'm decorating. And I thought I'd share them with you guys this week. And so let me know what you think about while you're decorating. Or do you think about things when you're decorating? Or do you just focus on your decorating? I'd love to know. Anyway, back to just some music.
Darkest days and there's smoke in the sky, getting higher, higher. I feel the weight of 1,000,000 miles in the fire, the fire. And I've been on my own, lost my way back home, and been blinded from the light. I thought I'd be alright. My time has come, laying all of it down. I surrender, I surrender. Find me in the open, all the good and broken, nothing left unspoken. No, I am here, standing here. Find me in the open. Find me in the open. How will I know I'll be safer out there? What will I lose? Will I lose? When all is bare and my shield isn't there, can I trust you? Can I trust you? Find me in the open, all the good and broken, nothing left unspoken. I am here, I'm standing here. See me in my wholeness. Healing is the closest. 'Cause this is where my hope is. Oh, I am here. Yeah, I'm standing here. Find me in the open. Yeah. Find me in the open. Find me in the open. Find me in the open. I've been on my own, lost my way back home, and been hiding from the light. I thought I'd be alright. My time has come, laying all of it down. I surrender, I surrender. Find me in the open, all the good and broken, nothing left unspoken.
Alrighty, besties, that's going to do it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it relaxing and calming and fun. And next week, we're going to continue decorating for my coastal nautical decor. And I hope that you come back and join me then. And until then, besties, I'll see you later. Bye.